Alright DIYers, we're doing the water stop. It's very important this because it contains all water to the shower, so it's very important. Very. So we'll just slap that in there, like so. I need something to press it down in a sec. Nice everyone, nice. Where is something? Grab a piece of tile, just to push it down into the silicone. Just making sure push that in. Nice. Okay. Smooth it off so it doesn't complicate things as we're going. I haven't got another bit of scrap anyway. It's all right. Okay. Now that people is a very important part of a bathroom. See how I just touched up the corner there, so no water will come out in that corner. That is a very important part of this whole bathroom. Right, I'll carry on. I want to go through there, but then I want to lay that back piece as well. So I'll get set up and lay it through there, and we're laughing. Then I can always with your crosses too, try and push them down into your glue. They're not expensive to buy, so just push them down, so then you are not having to fluff around with them later. Okay, we'll see you soon. The next squirt, I'll be back. Yo!